this is my place, you feel me? You already know what type of video this is, nigga. The apartment tour, bro. Y'all been waiting for it, man. I'm bad dropping, man. Yes, sir, we in the crib. I forgot to knock, you feel me? I just walked in, got my shoes on, you feel me? But yeah, let me get right to this video, bro. Before I get started on this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notification bell so you get notified every time I drop a banger video like this one today. I've been living in this apartment, it's October 11th. I've been living in this apartment since August, and I'm just not dropping this video, that's crazy. But yeah, this is my apartment, man. Hope y'all enjoy the video. So first off, the door's right here. And when you walk in, you got the diner area. Boom, nothing too crazy, you feel me? It's just me and my cousin in here. And you feel me, you don't need too much space, it's nothing too crazy, you feel me? Just a little diner area, got a little light up there. And then it leads into the kitchen. Yeah. Man, you know you need a new way, boy. You can cook everything in here, but you need to get one of them. But yeah, got the kitchen, you feel me? Let me see what we got. We got a little something, little something. Nothing too crazy. But yeah, they got the sink. Yeah. One thing you gonna notice when you move out, bro, you know how you live with your mama and stuff, you don't never wanna wash the dishes. You don't never wanna take out the trash. But when you move out, you gotta do all that, bro. I be here, man, be mad, boy, gotta do dishes and take out the trash, bro. But yes, here's the door right here. This is the, like the laundry room. I think my cousin in here doing laundry, but yeah, nothing too crazy. The laundry room. Yeah. Turn this light off. I gotta pay them bills now, so I gotta turn off all the lights. But yeah, this is the living room. Bam. My room. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Crazy. I got this when I graduated. My mama made it for me. That's hard. And then I've been having this since I was at my mama's house. But yeah, and then I just bought this like not too long ago. R.I.P. Juice. That man's a legend. And then, yeah, you see it. Who does it look like? That's me, nigga. I made that, nigga. Talking about, yeah, I'm an artist. I'm an artiste, nigga. If you want to buy it, bro, I'm selling it for $1 million. So you feel me? Cause that's some valuable shit right there. Like that's one of one. You feel me? If you want it, $1 million. And then this right here, I made that too. I'm an artiste, and I made this too. It's like, nah, I ain't make that, nigga. Yeah, I bought this somewhere. I forgot where, and I bought that from the same place. And then here's my little. It's kind of messy right here. It's where I do my homework, play the game, a little monitor right here, and you know you got the PS5. You got to. Oh, a sexy nigga right there, boy. That nigga sexy as hell, boy. That nigga is sexy, boy. Oh, that's me. Ah, that nigga sexy as hell. But yo, but here go the bathroom. So I'm slight. This really ain't got no decorations in here. I ain't got no decorations in this bathroom. But you know I got a scale. Let me see how much I weigh real quick. You see it. Get your weight up. Get your weight up, little nigga. Get your weight up, nigga. Yeah, you, nigga. You little body ass nigga. You don't even weigh 200, nigga. Come on. Get your weight up, nigga. But yeah, here's the bathroom. I don't like cleaning, but you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. And then, last but not least, you got my closet. You got my closet. This is a nice size closet. I'm not gonna lie to you. A nice size closet. This is why I picked this room out of the other room. There's 2 rooms in here. There's another room right there, but I'm not gonna go in there because that's my cousin's room. And you feel me? I ain't asked to go in there, so I'm not going in there. But her room is bigger, but my closet's bigger than the bathroom. My bathroom's bigger. You feel me? And yeah, man. I made a video on like what you gotta do and things you should do to move out of 18 or whenever at any age really. And if you wonder how I did this, go watch that video. It should be, I'm gonna put it in the description, or I might put it in the, there's like a box in one of them corners where you gonna put it. It's like suggested videos. I might put it right there. But yeah, man, that basically concludes this video. It's a little quick video. Just give me a little tour of the apartment. It ain't nothing too crazy. My first crib. I'm more than blessed to have this crib, I'm not gonna lie. I want to conclude this video. I want to say thank you for all my supporters who watch my videos, like and comment on all my videos, and who are subscribed. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, bro. It's free. Pay the fee, and you get to eat. You feel me? If you want me to subscribe to you, I'll subscribe to you. Subscribe for subscribe. You feel me? I ain't tripping. But yeah, man, that concludes this video. Thanks for watching the video. Everybody have a good one. HBK Cam out.
Okay, bye.